I'm going to add initial New Jersey shapefile, right? And then I'm going to check the this is exercise 7. I mean, not exercise, question 7. And we have a Somerset Middlesex doctors, right? It doesn't have PRJ file. So what you have to do is you have to define data management tool, projection, define projection, Somerset Middlesex doctors, right? And projection is what? The Somerset Middlesex projection net state plan. Okay. Then select projected state plan net 83 feet New Jersey feet. Okay, apply, hit OK. So we have doctors, right? And then we have background layer, right? Middlesex Somerset municipal shapefile. This is a something. Look at this. I have a Middlesex Somerset municipal shapefile, right? Bummer. I can do the define projection and Middlesex Somerset municipality projected state plan net 83 New Jersey, hit add, OK, apply, OK, OK. Okay, now so how can I create the different size of the symbol for each point? You need to know that each symbol has how many points, right? So what you do is you go to this open attribute table. You have this x and y, right? So I have this in x and y, and then I'm going to what? Export, right? This as, right? I would say doctors xy. Okay, no, and then I'm going to open with Microsoft Excel. Doctors xy, right? So I have this. I have an x and y. How can I make the unique xy with the? See, last time you have a latitude longitude, right? Don't get panicked. This is within feet, right? You just need to do the same process. How can I do? I just insert column, right? Say x underscore y, right? And combine this thing, this and sign, right? Quote underscore quote and this. So I have a unique xy point, right? Formula was the here, this G2 and sign double quote underscore double quote and sign that H2, right? So I can copy and paste. Once I do this, how can I calculate the point that share the same xy? Yeah, so I just move to here and go to data pivot table, next database, and then say x and y, okay, finish. So I have x and y and the number of doctors, right? So what I have to do is I need to clean this, right? Put into dbf file, right? Paste special value, and then just delete this 3 row, and then I can just put enough space. I need to separate it. How can I separate it? Okay, text to column, right? Delimit it, right? And other underscore, next, finish, right? X and Y. Then I have this one is numdoc, right? And make sure that you delete this grand total. Now, since it doesn't have decimal, I don't need to define the decimal, right? Right? I can just go to file, save as. I will just save as the XY data, XY doc, right? XY with the doctors. So I just close. Then I just wanna open and then make sure that data is there. So in that case, how can I add it here? If it is XY, we know how to do it. How? Tool, add XY, XY doc, right? And X field and Y field. This is the coordinate system is what? This time, this is the tricky. Original data set is in what? State plan NAD83 instead of geographic. So select projected state plan NAD83. New Jersey, add, apply, okay, okay, right? So I have this data, right? Once you have this, quantities, graduate symbol, number of doctors, you can do this, right? You can change the color, right? And then create a map. That is the answer.